Here at WoodHaven, we've got orders to fill, and still sometimes we get customers. So whether or not there's a snowstorm or anything, we stay open. First thing we've got to do always when there's a snowstorm is shovel out the path in case somebody shows up. Here I actually had to do this twice today because it was snowing pretty hard. Currently we're sitting at about a 2 to 4 week lead time, so if we shut down, customers keep waiting, and we don't want that. It also means when it's snowing, it's time to get the loader out, get the snow off the drive. Never know when a truck's going to arrive with wood, arrive for shavings, arrive to pick up an order, and of course those customers that I mentioned before. Here you actually see Ryan has when it rains it pours. You had both the truck for the shavings show up and the truck delivering wood show up at the same time. So he's going to have to clear out a path enough that he can help them out before he's able to later go on, which is not video, and finish cleaning up. And there you can see the shavings truck. We don't let any of the shavings from our millings go to waste. They all go out for animal bedding. That's this truck is here for. We actually have in the shavings building a game camera that the guy that buys the shavings from us can view, and he knows when to send a truck based on that. And back there you can see the truck that's there arriving for a load of wood, or to unload wood, and it's waiting as well. In here he's going to look into the new shavings building. We are working on another line so that we can produce at a higher rate and keep hopefully both going. It doesn't get a lot of use. There is some use of that shavings building already for some of the more custom work, but it will be getting increased use at some point here, hopefully very soon. Lee will be over on that forklift unloading that truck. It's cleaned up enough that he's able to unload the truck already. And Ryan had to stop and talk to the driver. That's why he jumps ahead there. The next thing he has to do is get so that he can drive up and actually load the truck for the shavings. That's it's steeper than it looks at this point in the video to get up there and load it. So he's going to have to pull all that down from as high as he can drive. You'll see some slipping, and then push it away and just keep doing that until he gets it as good as he can. And now he's going to unhook so that he can switch out and go get the bucket to load the shavings. And there you have it. Keeping the business open no matter the weather. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on all other social media platforms. And check us out on our website, woodhavenlog.com as well. Feel free to come see us right in Mayo, Michigan.